It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong and today gagawa tayo ng isa sa ating pinakapaboritong ulam. Kaya, let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Kaya ngayon, gagawa tayo ng sisig. Ito medyo matrabaho siya but very simple steps lang yung kailangan mong gawin. So yung gamit natin dito ay maskara ng baboy. So pig face, mukha ng baboy. So nakikita natin, yan. May tenga and we see the snout. And of course, kailangan linisan mo ng maayos lalo na yung tenga, no? Clean it very properly. And what we will do is the first step is papalambutin muna natin tong ating baboy, no? So I have my pork. I'll put it into a pot with water. Yan. So use as much water as needed na masubmerge yung ating pork. Whole peppercorns, laurel leaves. Yan. And salt. Ito lang yung kailangan natin to start. Yan. And we just let that simmer. So it's a very traditional recipe, pero ang dami ng versions ng sisig, no? So we let that simmer until it's fork tender. Hindi siya sobrang lambot, pero importante pag tinusok natin sa tinidor, lalo na sa tenga, malambot na siya. It's soft enough that you can poke a hole through it. Let's wait for that to become tender, pero madaya ako. Nagpalambot na ako ng sisig. Meron ako dito. On the side, ito, yung kabilang pisngi, di ba? And may three options kung anong pwede natin gawin. The first option is, ito siya, i-chop natin into small pieces and gigisa lang natin siya. But if you want more flavor and texture, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Hatiin ko muna ito into two. Yung first option natin ay, hati natin yung ating pork. Yan. Yung isa, yung gagawin ko ay i-grill ko. Yan. Ang kalahati, gagawin ko ay i-oven ko. There are two options in doing this. For now, what we will do, ito, yung isang piece ng pork, ilalagay ko sa aking oven. Of course, aking Breville Smart Oven. So, ilalagay ko lang yung aking baboy. Diretso lalagay ko na sa aking oven, preheated oven. So, ito, mga 15 to 30 minutes na pag-bake over high heat. Yan. Or ito, yung gagawin ko dito, my pan is hot enough, i-grill ko na rin to. Yan. For that smoky finish, hatiin ko na lang pala to two pieces para mas easier i-handle. So again, be sure na malinis yung tenga ng ating baboy and also the snout, no? Some people will not eat it kung nakikita nila yung ilong ng baboy, pero pag sisig, usually, sinasama siya. But you have to clean it very well. Yan, so. Yan, tatabi muna natin tong ating grilled na pork. Yan, let it rest kasi masyado siyang mainit pag i-chop ko siya ngayon. Yan. And we're waiting for our other, batch of pork na in the oven. And na-set up ko na yung pangsisig natin, but I will also check on our other half of our pork. Look at that, crispy na siya. Una is our grilled, and the other one is our baked. But itong baked natin, pwede mo siyang i-deep fry pa para maging malachicharon pa yung texture niya. But what am I going to do now is, sisimulan ko na yung aking pork. I'm going to chop yung ating pork na medyo cool enough to handle. And of course, pag sisig, alam natin yung hiwa ng ating sisig. Careful. Sarap nito. Di ba? Very nice. And I'll just show you, Ito siya, after cooling our baked sisig, crispy siya. So we'll use this for topping natin later on. Yan. I'll just half it now. Para so when you fry it later on, meron ka ng chicharon. Ooh, so hot. Yan. Yan. Cools faster. Tatabi natin yan. Naririnig nyo yun? Very nice, very crisp. Pero, later on, pag atin siyang i-fry, mas magiging crunchy yung ating sisig yan. And in the meantime, yung gagawin ko, initin ko yung aking pan. Ito, yung gagawin ko, gagawa ko ng konting chicharon dito. I'm going to heat up oil. Yan. And what do we do now? Gisa-gisa na lang yung kailangan natin gawin. And because hinati natin sa dalawa, may ingredients tayo dito, no? Hahatiin din natin yung ating gigisa. Start off with our onions. Again, kalahati ng onions yung gagamitin ko. And I'm going to add chicken livers. Yan, half of the chicken livers as well. Yan. So, ito yung pinakamadaling part ng ating paggawa ng sisig. It's just the gisa-gisa. Of course, we season with salt. Salt and pepper. Gisa lang natin yung ating... If you don't like chicken livers, wag mong lagyan, no? Pero we use chicken livers instead of pork livers kasi mas tender at mas creamy yung texture ng chicken livers. And we just season with our calamansi. Very important yung calamansi natin kasi dapat medyo maasim yung ating sisig. And some soy sauce. And if you want it to be a bit spicy, of course, we add our sili. Meron tayong siling pangsigang. If you want to add labuyo, let's add labuyo. No, let's just put that as garnish just in case ayaw ng iba ng sobrang anghang. Look at that. That's practically done. I will just add my pork and I will heat up my sizzling plate. Yan. This is our sisig. Very classic, very simple, very straightforward sisig. Yan. And I have my sizzling plate. Yan. Yan, dapat mainit na mainit yung ating sizzling plate. And magpiprito ako ng konti lang na tenga ng ating baboy. The rest, ito gagawin kong sisig. Pero ito, gagawa ko ng chicharon ng konti. Pang topping natin. Hot enough. And let's just fry that. Going to be very crispy. We want the texture, of course. When it's cooled down, it's going to puff really well. And that's good enough. Tatabi natin yan. Let it cool so it becomes very crispy. Pang-garnish natin yan. Of course. Add some butter. Some people use margarine. Yan. Spread it around. Very classic sisig. So very straightforward. Yan. Yeah. Yan, no? Yan. Dadamihan ko na yung ating sisig kasi malakas kumain yung mga taga-simple. Pag kumakain ka ng sisig sa restaurant, kalahati lang siguro niyan or 1/3 lang yung dami ng inyong sisig. And we add our yan, raw onions on top. Happy. And of course, ating chicharon. Chop up natin, oh. Maririnig nyo yan. Very crunchy. Yan ang masarap sa ating sisig. May crunchy. And we just sprinkle our chicharon over our sisig. Of course, our sili and our calamansi. Dapat dalawa yung calamansi natin para hindi tayo mabibitin sa asim. Yan. And here it is, of course, ating sizzling sisig. Yan. Yan, so if you want to add an egg or mayonnaise, it's up to you. Here it is, our very simple, straightforward sisig. Walang arte, straight to the point. Kaya try this at home. I'm sure you will love it. Masarap to and surely patok to sa pamilya. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.